Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an ROG Phone 2 from ASUS with a tempered glass, but the screen's still cracked. Let's fix it. So right here we are assessing the situation. Everything else with the smartphone is good. We're going to remove the back cover. This ROG phone is quite old now. We have already newer versions of the ASUS ROG phones. ROG stands for Republic of Gamers because this is primarily a gaming smartphone. It is a beefy device compared to your Galaxy, iPhones, Oppos. This is geared towards gaming. So you have a big battery, high-end specs for the CPU and GPU. And once we've opened the back cover and removed the cover for the main board, you can see quite a traditional layout for a smartphone. But for this time, we've detached the battery connector and we will attach the connector for the display. So this will isolate the problem. So if we get a signal through this replacement display, this is a brand new one that we'll use later on. That means that we can repair the smartphone and just replace the screen. If it doesn't, then there's a problem with the main board or other components with the smartphone. You can see there, Republic of Gamers, and there you go, it boots up. Unfortunately, we can't show you the inside of the smartphone. The client doesn't want us to log into the device, so we'll just go with the lock screen to test the functionality of the touchscreen and the display itself. And they will just perform tests like the Wi-Fi buttons, everything before leaving the shop, so we can say that it's been fixed. We are going to remove the cameras, front camera and the back, and of course the whole main board is kind of in letter L formation, quite sensitive. Never bend that one or even break that one. Now we can detach the old display. And from what I can see, this has been fixed before. You can see there an aftermarket adhesive on the display. Usually this is quite tricky to remove, but this one is quite easier. See there. Yep. I think this has been fixed before. This is not factory adhesive, in my opinion. So we're gonna prep the frame. You can see there's some plastic grommets for the camera holes for the front camera. You can also see a lining between the display and the frame itself, and we'll attach it. It's quite detached in this corner, and we'll use our own liquid adhesive this time. So if you're wondering if this is waterproof, it's gonna make your phone waterproof. This is not gonna be fully waterproof. This is just gonna be a repair adhesive, so we can attach a new display into the frame without it falling off if the phone heats up during heavy gaming session. So yeah, it's been fixed but not really waterproof. And if your smartphone is not waterproof to begin with from the factory, then there's no chance that this adhesive of ours will make it waterproof. So be very cautious. We're installing now the new display. Look at that, looking brand new already. We have aligned it, make sure the camera holes are free of dust and adhesive before we install the main board and everything else. This is just gonna be the reverse of what we have done so far. So compared to the newer versions of ROG phones, this is quite easier. It's easier because it's a traditional layout. The new ROG Phone 5, you have multiple layers of main board. And the battery is separated into two parts. You have a top and bottom batteries with even better performance. This one is fast already, but the newer versions of ROG phones are really packed with features for gaming. We're gonna attach the antenna cables, the main camera, and this is gonna be it. We're almost done. We're going to test it and give it back to the client so they can further test it. And if you're interested in having an ROG Phone 2 screen replacement or a battery replacement, just message us, leave a comment on this video, or visit us in Sydney CBD. You can also mail in your broken ROG phone if you don't have a technician nearby who will source the parts and do the repair for you. David is an expert already, so while he's still in the shop, you can visit us here. There you go. We'll just clean up the glue residue on the sides and put a free tempered glass, and this is gonna be good. So yeah, this ROG Phone 2 will live on for quite some time. Instead of buying brand new, the owner did the right thing and have an existing smartphone get fixed for a fraction of the cost, which is good because it saves money. It saves the environment by not putting in e-waste into the bin, which could otherwise be fixed. If it can be fixed, let's fix it. It's also good for your data, because you already have data inside your smartphone. You don't need to transfer them to a brand new one. But sometimes it's necessary to buy a brand new phone. This time, it's proven that you could just get it working just by spending a few $100 on a brand new display. So this is for us. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. Till next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time?